Hi guys, welcome back to Harry Makes Up. Today I thought I would do something a little bit different. You guys were saying you wanted to see a makeup look from me, and I wanted to kind of experiment with the idea of getting out your comfort zone. I know it is technically kind of autumn winter still, but I know we're getting closer to spring, and just want to play with some ideas of colours, textures, a few things I've been loving in my pro kit. And I definitely feel like since I've cut my hair short, I've just been loving makeup again. And that real joy of experimenting. Yes, there's things I always go back to and quick looks that are kind of my go-to, but I've just really enjoyed playing with makeup. I thought I'd use natural light. Hopefully this is gonna work. We'll see. It's just good to try new things. So I want to start with a matter base than what I would normally go for, and I've been testing out these by The Ordinary. A lot of you guys were asking me about it. This is the Ordinary Serum Foundation. I got the shade 1.2N and 2.0N. And I found I have to kind of mix these together. So I do have to prep my skin with a lot of moisturiser before I start with these. So if you have really dry skin, I would say they might not work for you. I've been using this, the Elemis Superfood Day Cream. So I'm just going to pop a little bit, I've already got some on, but I'm just going to pop a little bit extra on. As I said, I'm going to have to mix these two together. I do like that they come in a pump bottle. I've got to say that is really good to see. Okay, and I'm going to use my Zoeva buffing brush. I still love this. I'm just going to tap the two together. And I have white bed sheets, so this video is going to be pretty interesting. I would definitely describe the coverage of this as a light, kind of to medium coverage. But it's definitely matter than what I thought it was going to be. So that's something to consider if you're going to buy this. Oh, and I've got it all in my hair already. It's Sunday when I'm filming this and I'm just feeling far too relaxed. So maybe that will show in the makeup. But I'll come a little bit closer as well so you guys can see the coverage of this. So you see it is quite matte. And then I'm just going to take a little bit into my forehead. Fringes are problematic for makeup because I know you guys will just tell me to pin it up, which if I'd planned more I would have done, but I can't find the clips that I normally use, which is incredibly helpful. So for eyes, I just want a little bit of colour on my eyelids, like very, very small natural amount of colour. So I'm actually going to use one of the Cloud Paints by Glossier because I just love these. I think they're so good. They have so many different ways of working and it's just like a nice nudie kind of peach tone on my skin tone that I'm just going to wash over the eyelid for a little bit of something, but I don't really want it to look too full on, so I'm just applying this very messily with my finger just for a little bit of colour, like very, very natural colour. And for today I'm actually going to leave my eyebrows because one of the best things about having bangs is that you can cheat. You can hide your eyebrows. So for a nice lazy Sunday, I'm just going to leave those as is, but that's all I'm going to do on my eyes for the minute. So I'm going to curl my eyelashes. And like I say, you just get that really subtle wash of colour with the Glossier Cloud Paints. So I'm just going to use my Bourjois. Sorry if the light goes in and out. It's been a long time since I've used natural light. But a lot of you guys were saying you wanted to see more with natural light, especially since I did my tried and tested series, which I am going to do more of. So just let me know down below what you would like to see more tried and tested videos on. But like I said, today is just about having fun with makeup and experimenting and sharing kind of my enjoyment of that. So it's also worth noting at this point I have put a little bit of lip balm on just because I'm going to do more of a statement lip look. Then I have this Ellis Fast, I always want to say Elias, such beautiful packaging. This is the concealer and I'm just going to pop a bit of this on to brighten under my eyes. Just going to give it a few little clicks, hopefully some will come out. Come on. There we go. And that's now going to be way too much. I do think I probably could have got a lighter concealer actually. I do feel like this one is a little bit warm for me, but nonetheless it's a lovely kind of creamy consistency and the sun's coming back out again. So I'm just going to use this to brighten under my eye because I'm doing quite an intense dark lip look. it needs the rest of the skin to look clean, which is why I'm enjoying the more matte foundation. But it is worth keeping in mind that this definitely is more of a matte foundation, I would say, the Ordinary one. So you can see it looks warmer when you first put it on, but it does tap out nice and brightening. So let's do a little bit of that. So I'm going to do the lip before I carry on with anything else in the base, because I've got two colours. I used this recently on a shoot on a model with a much darker skin tone than myself, and I fell in love, and I just thought I have to try that on me. So I haven't tried this on me yet, but I just know that I made this video knowing I wanted to try it. It is actually a liquid lipstick, but look at this colour. It's a metallic liquid lipstick, so it will dry down matte, but with a metallic finish. So this could go two ways. I may love it, I may hate it, but I know, like I said, since I've had my hair cut, I just want to play with makeup. So do we do the metallic red or the metallic berry? It's gonna have to be the berry tone. So this is by MAC. It's the Retro Matte Liquid Lip Colour in Crowned. I just think this dries down so beautifully. On the shoot it looked amazing. So you've got a doe foot applicator. Oh my goodness, I love it. So I'm just going to start first by working it into the lip. Oh my goodness, that is so fun. This is so fun. I really, really love it. And I particularly love it while my skin's is pale, actually. But like I said, I did it on a model with much darker skin tone, and it looked just as incredible. So on me it looks much more like burgundy. On her it kind of had more like a maroon feel. Oh my god, I love it so much. This is such a beautiful colour. So I'm going to come closer. Oh my goodness. I mean, I know it's quite gothic, but you know, I am just going to keep the eyes really, really neutral. I think I'd wear it with like gold hoops, just a white t-shirt and kind of vintage looking jeans. So I'm going to do a light dusting of powder. I'm going to use my Chanel pressed powder with one of these stunning new Chanel brushes. I just think these are absolutely beautiful. And I'm just going to use this just to mattify extra where I want it matte. I just love the fact the lip is like metallic but matte. I think it's so cool. And then I am loving this, guys, from Make. This is their custom finish effects in matte and dew, and I've been finding that if my concealer creases throughout the day, it's quite nice using the matte side just to kind of re-squish things around. But I'm going to use the dew side, which is, as the name would suggest, kind of a nice highlighter, which is just going to give a little bit of glow just where I want to kind of add it back in now. And I don't want any colour highlighter, I just want it a bit of dimension on the skin. A little bit in the bridge. I even like it when I'm a bit tired, when my eyes look a bit red. I know that is totally not going to be everyone's cup of tea, but like I said, I am just enjoying makeup and the experimenting side. Oh, I'm going to look really pink now the sun's gone in. And then I'm going to take some more of the Glossier Cloud Paints in Puff, and I'm just going to apply a little bit of this kind of soft pink, which I know will go really nice and soft into the cheeks. Just so there's a little bit of something, but I know this will wear down to a really natural looking finish. Just so that my skin doesn't look too flat. But I've got to say, even without blusher, I like the way it looks. So that is pretty much the finished look, guys. I know it's quite a different video today. You guys said you wanted a makeup tutorial, and it's Sunday. I just really fancied putting makeup on, and that is the wonderful thing about makeup. So I hope you guys enjoy this look. I totally appreciate it won't be for everyone, but I just wanted to play. I absolutely love this lip look. I feel like it's incredibly chic, and I will come close so you can see the metallic. I mean, it really is like velvet on the lips. That's what I love. See, there's no transfer. Is my finger gonna focus. Yeah, not really any transfer. I think it's quite like a teeth brightening colour. I've just really enjoyed doing that, guys. It was nice just to have a fun, chatty video with you, try something new, and again, I think I want to share more videos like this at the minute, as well as my tried and tested. I'm just enjoying playing with makeup again, especially stepping out my comfort zone. So let me know if you like this video. Also let me know what you'd like to see more for tried and tested. And I know I don't always say it, but I really would love it if you guys subscribe. I feel like with full coverage of the podcast, having someone else with me when I say, please subscribe and rate us, it sort of feels much easier. And yet I never really do that properly on my channel. I'll just say, please subscribe, but I really would love it if you subscribe and help support me so I can keep making more videos, because I love doing it. And yeah, I would really appreciate that. So I hope that was helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.